Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Spark program. And the government says the Spark program is going to generate 13,000 direct jobs. Now this is a program to fix the roads in Jamaica. Now the government currently has three programs to fix the roads in Jamaica, but the Spark program is the largest of the three. First program is a CapEx program where they're going to be spending 13 million to fix 6 main roads, 3 in Kingston, 3 in Portmore. Then you have the Reach program where they're going to be spending 5 billion to patch some roads in the island. Then you have the Spark program, which is a $45 billion program to fix, I think it's 2,000 roads in Jamaica. And I think that is the largest road program ever in the history of Jamaica to fix roads. When it comes down to the building of the highways, more money has been spent, hundreds of millions of dollars. But that's the highways, mostly toll roads. This now, the Spark program, is main roads and community roads in Jamaica. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening with the Spark program. The Shared Prosperity Through Accelerated Improvement to Our Road Network Spark project is expected to generate 13,000 direct jobs during construction, while delivering an estimated US $1.3 billion in savings from vehicle maintenance, enhanced service accessibility, and strengthened community connectivity. Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation with responsibility for works, Honorable Robert Morgan, made the disclosure during a statement to the House of Representatives. Work commenced in December 2024 following the award of a $45 billion contract with 3 work orders issued covering 126 roads across 63 constituencies. This week, an additional 42 roads will be included under Work Order 4. Spark will revolutionize our infrastructure, modernize road networks to enhance road safety, reduce travel times, and lower vehicle operating costs, Mr. Morgan said. This initiative will improve economic efficiency, bolster Jamaica's tourism appeal, and create employment opportunities, he added. The scope of work under Spark includes the rehabilitation of main, local, and community roads, addressing pavements, select intersections, sidewalks, drainage, and retaining walls. Additionally, the project integrates water infrastructure upgrades and fiber optic ducting to support future broadband connectivity. Mr. Morgan said a crucial element of the $5 billion investment in water pipeline upgrades synchronized with road works to minimize disruptions. To be undertaken under Work Order 4, this includes roads such as Wagonhill Crescent, Kingston Garden, McWeeny Street, Upper Church Street, Longfellow Avenue, Dehaney Park, Tavern Crescent, Bushy Park, Facey, Power Avenue, and Dover Avenue, etc., amongst others. Meanwhile, Minister Morgan informed that Work Order 5 will be announced next week. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think so far about the Spark program. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.